that smash Jada and married Schengen. Yeah, I married Schengen.
And smash.
So say it with hope and you were sure I couldn't agree that we were meant to be, but our love is what they talk about in movies. Our love is what they talk about, what they
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Guys, I'm your girl Cavian.
Wagwan, I'm your boy Billy, which is silly. Welcome back to our channel, guys.
Yes guys, and from the title down below, you know what come. We're gonna do the Smash, Maria, Kill edition. So this is the mixed edition. Artists, dancers, YouTubers.
Yeah.
And
anybody, isn't
yeah,
it?
it's a mixed
Random
thing.
people, anybody.
And guys, before we get another video, this video is just entertainment purpose, just for entertainment.
Yeah, strictly entertainment. So don't take no personal.
Yeah.
You see me?
And guys, before we get another video, just remember, just like, comment, share, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can know when we subscribe. Don't turn on your notification bell and put it on off. It don't make no sense. So subscribe and just turn on the notification bell so you can know when we upload a video. And don't forget to share it out with a family and friend. And if you can share it on Instagram, please do. Facebook, please do. And even your WhatsApp, please do. So yeah, let's jump right into the video. Who first I go? Rock, paper, scissors.
What was that?
Alright, the first three persons I have. Could you smash, marry, or kill Ken from G and Ken, Chrissy from Carter Gang, and Ianja?
Ianja?
Yeah, that's Razor Blade. And you have to give one reason why you that smash, marry, or kill them.
Razor Blade.
Yeah. It's Razor
Alright.
Blade wifey. Ken from G and Ken.
Oh,
You say-
Ken from G and Ken.
Yeah.
Ken. So it's
Ken, Chrissy, and Ianja.
So Ken, Chrissy, and Ianja.
Ianja, she named.
Ianja.
Yeah.
Alright. Wow.
It's-
On the rough. So Ken.
Wait,
Go say Ken.
Ken, Chrissy, and Ianja.
Alright. So first and foremost, I pick out the married woman. Because she know married life. So I pick Chrissy for married. Right? Ken now, that smash Ken because she just look like smashing time. Smash that. See me?
And
But nah, no against that's my shit too, you know. You see me? Nah, no against her, nothing, but yeah, just choose to kill her in there, one. But good girl, good body. You see me? But not my type, so kill. Alright.
guys, this is just entertainment purpose. Let me
Alright.
put it
Since
up
I got
here again.
YouTubers, would you smash Ken, CMR, and Quiet Perry.
Alright. Me I kill quite very long time. Kill that. Alright. That's kind of sticky between
Ken and
Ken and alright, you know what I'm married CMR la work on, cause guess what? CMR have the body. Him is like him just have the thing there me just like. So me that definitely marry the CMR. Kill when name Quiet Perry and smash when name Ken from Dear and Ken.
yeah.
Yeah. So married CMR a long time.
So you married CMR, smash Ken.
And
So that
straight married CMR.
married CMR.
Long
So
time.
you that married CM, the man, I mean that married woman. No, watch out, you know. Carter's family don't come. Alright, go on.
So guys, YouTube again. Would you married smash or kill Trish from Trish Sassy, Riley, you remember Riley Simpson, and Deara.
Alright, as I say again, me I always go for the married woman them. You see me? Although she's not quite married, but yeah, she engaged. So
Who engaged?
Deara.
Oh, Deara, you got married.
Deara we got married.
Alright.
You see me? Riley, I kill Riley.
You say kill her.
Yeah. Then,
So she's not loyal.
that's a liar, but I did it so. You see?
Yes, she
And
what
what is it say?
Chish Sassy from Chish Sassy.
And we are going to smash Shash Sassy, that's the name alone.
Yes,
Smash
you
that.
got smash Chish Sassy.
Yeah, I roll the woman, don't it?
Yeah, roll the baby
No,
wifey.
let's smash that.
Alright.
Let's smash that.
Go on.
Alright. People have a beard reading.
Me write down the name them guys because I'm a phone.
You don't have to tell them that. Come. Alright.
I'm not looking. Look.
Alright. Entertainment.
Alright.
Lil Wayne, Jake, and what name again?
Can't believe say I give this money.
Justin Timberlake.
I don't know much about Justin Timberlake. I not even listen to music them. I don't remember listen to the music them. So I kill him. No, I not kill Justin. I kill my name Lil Wayne. I don't like man with matter of fact. I don't like man with tattoo in them face. Tattoo sex and everything. And then in pierce or something. I like them something there. So I kill Lil Wayne right through. Smash Timberlake. Timberlake look like a one nice youth, yes. He look like him have a look of buzz. And me I definitely married Jake. Although Jake kind of have him abusive, yeah.
Well, first I hear about that still, but
yeah, I think.
nice.
But I guess I would marry. I like the little rough boy them, so I definitely marry Jake.
Nah, your turn.
So who do you smash, married or kill? Ocean J.A., Sheen's Life, and Shan from Romeo and Shan.
So, alright. Ocean J.A.
Yeah.
Sheen's Life.
Yeah. And Shan from Romeo and Shan. Who you would have kill, who you would have mash up, and who you would have married?
Alright. Me that married Ocean.
You have married Ocean?
Yeah, me that married Ocean.
Alright. Why you
That
have married
smash,
Ocean?
that, listen, let's relax. Me that married Ocean. Machine and kill Shan. Oh God. That I want the art for them to kill it, but yeah, that's my choice.
Alright, so you not give you the reason why you that kill and
Me that married Ocean because alright, Sheen and Ocean, all of them look like the married type. You see me? But Sheen, that's my Sheen. Them three choices look like so young. They married the three of them and the three of them don't know about it.
alright.
Isn't
Yeah,
it?
that him married the whole on about the game
Yeah.
and smash married and kill.
Yeah, me I married the whole of them and I try my best when they don't know about it.
Alright.
Yeah.
Next.
Stop looking at my phone.
I'm not looking at your phone.
Alright. Politician.
Jesus, please. Go on.
Would you smash Peter Bunting? So Peter Bunting,
Put your box go.
Angie Holness,
That Jesus.
and Rodney Price. Raymond Price.
That's your Raymond long time. Definitely that married the PABS. I will.
Peter Bunting.
Lord Jesus. Peter Bunting no. But that's smash Peter Bunting. Peter Bunting look like them gangster-ish.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
But I definitely married Andrew, yes.
So you
No man, me I smash Andrew, married Peter Phillips, and that's where what name?
the young boy there.
The young boy there, yeah. Yeah, that one there.
Boy, fishy to you know but
Jesus Christ. Me I go with the PM.
yeah, too sugar daddy.
Alright.
You see me? Your turn.
Who do you smash? Who do you smash, killer, married, dancing rebel, pretty sticky, and Ivan the most wanted?
Alright. That kill Ivan. Too much eat. You see me? Too much problem. No, not against her, love her. I was a watch her video them.
Yeah, we always tune into Ivan.
Yeah, big up yourself, Ivan. But me, it's about me can't mind too much pressure, too much the thing I come down upon me.
Yeah.
You see me? So
Yeah.
me that kill she. Me that married pretty.
You're
You
married
see me?
pretty?
Yeah, me that
Aww.
married pretty.
Yeah.
You see me?
Why that married pretty?
It's a girl where I go through whole heap and she seems like a strong type. So if me and her have a little problem, she feel like she could hold it and work out things and push it. Said way.
Alright.
You see me? Yeah. And rebel now. Me that smash rebel.
Alright.
Yeah. I like the dog shorty them, yes, sir.
You like the dog shorty them?
Yeah, like.
Come through there,
Smash
Mr.
that.
Bell.
Yeah. So, alright. What would they know? Alright. Comedians. Would you smash Voldemort?
Who name Voldemort now?
Valdo?
I always get them mixed up, you know.
Anyways.
The brown one with the bracelet. Wait,
Let's listen to the options them first, sir.
Alright, go on.
Voldemort, Dino Crazy,
Oh, yeah, me
or
Dino.
Prince Pine.
I kind of like Dino, you know. Dino have a little buzz, you know. Yeah? But I'm married Dino. Dino have a buzz. So I just rate him. I rate him video them and everything. So I'm married Dino. Because Dino have a buzz and him have a body type when I work with. I dash a Prince Pine. The same name. Too
Prince
slim.
Pine.
And them full of vibes too. And so much. When next one named Valdo, the dark skin
Valdo.
one, and him kind of him came him here.
Yeah.
Yeah. So much Valdo. So me fling with Prince Pine, so much Valdo, and definitely Dino my boy. Yeah, him body still good.
One of your time.
Oh. Would you marry kill so much Coffee, Shensia, and Jada Kingdom? Or
Coffee.
Jada Kingdom?
Coffee.
You say yeah, that's that.
Kill. Coffee kill. You see me?
Alright.
Reason being, right? Someone will smash her and will marry her. Jada Kingdom or Sensia.
Shensia, yeah.
I mean, I'm married Shengen.
Yeah.
You see me? I'm married Shengen.
Wow, you say about the Shengyang.
Yeah.
Why you married the Shengyang?
I'm married her. Big man.
Is that the reason why you married
I
her?
know two of them look like a smashy, you know. No married time did this. So, I don't want someone too harsh, you know. That smash. Jada, I'm married. Shengen. Yeah, I'm married Shengen.
And so much Jada, the heavy queen.
I'm married at that.
Alright, who do you smash, married and kill?
My time.
Oh.
My time. So, alright.
It get spicy, you know, guys.
The
Watch
ball
it
of
till the
them
end.
now.
Don't forget like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Yeah, people, like, comment, share, and subscribe. You see me?
Which ball I know you give me?
Ball of them.
If I give me ball, a woman don't know.
Sadio Almani, Ryan Sterling, or Leon Bailey. So do the maths.
I feel like somebody that actually and Bailey. I watch Sterling YouTube videos them. I like him vibe. Somebody that's probably smash Sterling. And I'm married my husband, of course. My baller.
So go on then, no?
Would you smash, married and kill Spice, Lisa Hyper, or the one and only Mac Diamond?
Alright, me I kill Maca Diamond.
Alright.
You see me, she too old and she gonna sit down and calm down her little body.
You can't tell lady that.
Anyway, I don't my type that. You see me? So me that, you ask me the question. So me that kill shit.
Alright.
You see me?
Remember entertainment
Yeah,
purpose.
entertainment people. Remember that. So
Yeah.
kill that over there, sir.
Mm.
You see me? We have smashed Lisa eye. You see me? I smash it like that. And she could like, she look to the freaky thing, then you see me? Have that on the side, you see me? Yeah. But the business, yeah, she know it already.
Alright,
know it,
one.
everybody know it. I'm a married Spice.
Let's say a married Spice.
Yeah.
Long time, but nice, clean, dark,
Me a married
chocolate,
Spice. Me.
melanin,
You know, two sis.
sexy.
And me ask the question, then.
Alright, go on.
Me that's married Spice. You see me?
Alright.
Spice, like say, yo, ever get some man, but the man name was afraid for deal with her.
For
You see
Robert
me?
and for
No,
Charmer.
deal with her, you see me? A woman, she fierce, you know, is a woman like fierce. You see me?
You know about Spice?
Yeah, if I see she fierce and she demanding, so she don't want a man. We can stand up to that, and yeah, that's what
Alright.
that's a Spice. Me married a blood clot and deal wicked.
Yes, guys, so we're going to end off here we're gonna end off this video. We're gonna
Yeah,
put it in a
because-
part 2 because it go too long.
Yeah.
So we're gonna do part 2. So catch you back guys in part 2. We don't know
Yeah.
the protocol.
Remember,
Like,
Sophie.
comment, share and subscribe. They want
Yeah,
see.
people, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. You see me? When you see me post, you know, to like the thing, then you see me? And all who are watching now, comment, make you know, say how you did it. You see me? And big up who did it from day one. You see me? And I represent the east side, said way. You see me? Yeah. Mr. Universe.
You still around here?
East side of it?
Where you go? East side?
Yeah, east side.
East side. I don't